Hello, good evening. Well, this a platform of education. We are educating ourselves, it's an educative platform. And this is the thing I was about to do it for long now, but it hasn't occurred to my phone. But now this is the first time it occurred. Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus is my phone. Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus. Well, first of all, I am about to say something to all my followers. If you have a lot of friends, you can ask them to subscribe to my channel. And if you're here first time in my platform, please, you can subscribe to my channel and God bless you. But what I'm about to say right now is this: if you have a phone like this and it's creating this problem I'm about to show you, this is your lucky day. I won't ask you to take it to the repairer, but it's your lucky day. Just watch and see the problem which I'm talking about. See, I was watching a film and I put my phone to charge. Watch, maybe any moment from now you will see the problem. I was watching most of these Nollywood movies. I plug my phone to charger, you will see sometimes. Just watch. Yes guys, you can see it's warning me about my phone. You don't need, just watch. I'm going to press OK, then I put it back again. It's still going to warn me. Just watch.
And that throne is his birthright. You can't watch them subject him to such ridicule and still deny him of his rights.
Come on.
Your Highness, you have to do something.
And do as a man.
I just need to press it. Let's see, it's going to show. You can see it's making the noise. You can hear the noise. You see? Well, you just need to open the phone, off your battery. Okay, off the phone, and clean inside the USB.
The device is disconnected.
Inside. You need to clean inside the USB charging port. Use my toothpick. You see, this is the toothpick. Now you can see inside it's clean. I'm sorry I didn't show you the way I clean it because of I'm using my phone. And let me try if I can show you like this. Let me try. This was how I did it. I cut it in a sharp object like this, with this my tooth, like this. Then I put it inside this way, then scrub until you get it hard from inside. Well friends, thank you for watching, but let's test. Let's try the phone. If it's working, I believe it's gonna work. Watch. Let's on the phone. You see? Oh, wow, you can see it's working. Well, thanks for watching. Please friends, please guys, subscribe to my channel, please. We are helping ourselves and educating ourselves here. Thank you and God bless you.